This decadent, gooey chocolate dessert is made from Superfoods and it is ready for you in about a minute. First, we'll make the crust with 2 tablespoons of almond flour. Almonds reduce your blood sugar, reduce your blood pressure, your cholesterol. Then we'll add 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon, which is packed with antioxidants and it's anti-inflammatory. Then add 1/2 teaspoon of date syrup. This sweet dried fruit is packed with fiber, which is great for your digestion. Then we'll add 1/2 teaspoon of water. We're going to mix that all together, and the water is going to help the crust to bind together beautifully. Now for the filling, we're going to start with 1/2 of a banana, which is great for your digestion and your heart and your bones and your mood. I like to keep cut up bananas in the freezer at all times for dessert emergencies. Either way, 1/2 a banana, put it in a separate bowl, mush it up nicely so that it is smooth. Next, add 2 tablespoons of cashew butter. Did you know cashews are actually seeds? Regardless, they're filled with healthy fats and protein from plants. Next, we'll add 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract. This is going to add sweetness to our filling without any additional sugar. And then we'll add a teaspoon of date syrup. This natural sweetener is filled with antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals. Mix that all together beautifully, and then take your filling and add it on top of your crust. Now you could eat it now, but if you'd like it to firm up a little bit, you could put it in the microwave for about 30 seconds. Take it out. If you like it warm, enjoy. But if you want it to firm up even more, you could cover it, put it into the refrigerator for about 10 minutes. Take it out, and then the difficult decision is toppings. I love me some chocolate on top of this. So I melted chips in the microwave for about 30 seconds, and then I spread it on top of my gooey dessert, which came out just magnificently. So tell me, would you make this vegan, gluten-free, dairy-free, refined sugar-free chocolate dessert that's made from Superfoods? Please let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you.